Today I'll be walking you through a short demo of the Universal Digital Assistant by NetApp. This is a small JavaScript SDK where you can just pop into your application, and this is a plug and play self-learning in-app digital concierge for SaaS and web applications. For today's demo, I'll be picking one of our beta customers, which is Vantage Circle, one of the world's fastest growing employee engagement platforms. They have their customers include large corporates like Accenture, Capgemini, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Wells Fargo, and so on and so forth. You have here a very large set of customers. Now, when you are, so here is some sample of their customers. Now, when you are rolling out a SaaS platform across such a large user base, it's next to impossible to train the employees. Videos, tutorials, none of it help. And for that, we deployed our digital assistant, which is so once you log into this website, this is what it looks like. This is the home page, and then it has a lot of perks and offers for these corporate employees, and it has some work related stuff, and it has a fitness module and stuff. Now, wherever you're in the application, if you want to change your password, now you really don't know where is that hidden in all of this menu. So this is where our assistant comes into play. You just invoke this as assistant, and then you ask it, how do I change my password? And the tool gives a suggestion. You just click on it, and we just click the play button here. Please notice that once I click the play button, I will not be moving my mouse. So let me go ahead and click on play. So let me click on play. And you can see that I'm not moving my mouse, but my assistant will walk you through the application. This is at real time. It's actually invoking all the clicks. It takes you to that particular screen in which you want to change your password. And it also highlights those specific fields that you really need to type in, right? And then you click on continue. Then it tells you this is what you need to do. And then you click on continue. Then it shows what you need to do. And of course, after that, you could just click on change your password and your password is changed. Contact Circle also has a dashboard for the HR departments of these companies. And the HR departments of these companies can look at the usage of the various modules of, which have been enabled for that company. And even here, once this has been rolled out to the HR departments of these companies, these dashboards are fairly detailed, and it's to help the HR department find what they want. Here too, our NISTAP digital assistant has been enabled. And if you want to find a particular functionality, or if you want to look at something, all you have to do is invoke the digital assistant and talk into it. How do I create a budget for rewards? So you have this. Here too, all you have to do is click on play and just wait back for the tool to take you to the right page in this dashboard where you will find the functionality that you're looking for. So as you can see, it invokes all the clicks from all the menus, and once it reaches the right page, it doesn't stop here. It highlights the field that you need to uh, enter the data. So you can click on continue, and then you can click on users and so on and so forth. And at any point, if you want to stop the tool from hand holding you, all you have to do is click on exit, and the tool stops hand holding you, and you can just close the tool whenever you don't need it. So this in short is how this tool can help you roll out your SaaS application to completely untrained users, and they will be easily able to use your application and all the features in that application. Feature in the subscription version, for the enterprise version or the individual paid version, and that is uh, we enable queries in multiple languages. Let me just quickly give you a demo. Let's just enable the language, and here you have, and here what you can do is you can ask your question in all these supported languages. You can ask in French, Italian, a lot of Indian languages, Spanish, and such and so forth. Let me give you a quick demo. Let me select Hindi and let me ask how do I change a password. Password कैसे बदलें? And as you can see, the question was asked in Hindi and it gave us the correct response, which is how do I change your password? So that's about this really cool new feature. So if this intrigues you, please drop me an email on casey@nistap.com and I will be more than happy to discuss rolling it out for your product. So this is my name, email ID and number. Please feel free to contact me on to take this forward. Thank you.